Today is a special day, and your angels have brought a powerful message to you. God, in His infinite wisdom and love, has sent a clear sign to your life. This sign is about transformation, growth, and a definitive change in your love life. If you are reading this, believe me, it is not by chance. What you are about to discover can change the way you view your relationship and emotional connections forever. Often, we find ourselves in moments of uncertainty, where love seems distant, confusing, or even lost. Doubts about whether we are on the right path or with the right person can consume us. However, today's message comes to dissipate this confusion. God, in His perfection, knows the deepest desires of your heart, and He knows exactly what you need. This sign you are about to receive is the answer to your prayers, and it brings with it a clarity and guidance that you cannot ignore. Imagine the feeling of finally finding peace in your love life, of feeling that you are in the right place and with the right person. God is sending this confirmation today, and it goes beyond the words we can explain. This sign can come in various forms: a dream, an inexplicable feeling, or even through subtle signs around you. The important thing is that you are open to receiving this message with a heart and mind willing to understand what the universe is showing you. If you have been going through difficulties in your relationship, this message comes as a turning point. It's time to understand that not everything that seems like a difficulty is actually an obstacle. Sometimes, challenges come to strengthen the relationship, to make it more solid and profound. And if you feel that love has cooled off or that there is a distance between you and your loved one, know that this is the divine time of transformation. God is guiding you back to the right path, and all you need to do is trust and follow the flow of this divine energy. At this very moment, a change is getting ready to happen in your love life. Can you feel it? There's a new energy, a force beginning to move around you, changing the course of events. This energy is powerful, sent directly from the spiritual plane, and is preparing you for a new cycle, a cycle of true love, understanding, and deeper union. This transformation will not be just temporary, but something that will mark your life definitively, leading you to a new level of emotional connection. Now, it's important that you are ready to listen to what your heart has to say. Often, the answers we seek are within ourselves, and God uses these feelings and intuitions to guide us. He is speaking directly to you now, and this message is here to remind you that you are not alone. Everything you have been through, all the doubts and uncertainties, are part of a bigger plan, where each piece fits perfectly to bring the necessary learning and the opportunity to grow as a human and spiritual being. Get ready to receive this sign. It may come subtly, like a thought crossing your mind, a memory, or even through unexpected words that you will hear from someone. The important thing is for you to be attentive and open to perceive what God is trying to show you. This is the moment to awaken, to see beyond the obvious, and to trust that everything is happening exactly as it should. Even if the path seems uncertain now, have faith that the universe is working in your favor. Now that you understand that this divine sign is manifesting to bring a profound change in your love life, it's time to deepen this connection and realize how this transformation can occur. Your soul and heart are more open than ever to receive the blessings that God is sending. It's not easy to deal with uncertainties and challenges in relationships, but it's at this moment the divine power manifests itself, bringing clarity where there was once confusion and renewing love where there seemed to be only distance. What is about to happen in your love life is greater than you can imagine. This sign from God is a call to action, an invitation for you to embrace change with courage. If there's something that needs to be resolved, this is the moment to face it head-on. Perhaps you have avoided certain conversations, preferred not to touch on sensitive topics for fear of facing the truth. But understand, God is guiding you towards a resolution, and the only way to find peace and harmony is by confronting what is blocking you. Fear and uncertainty can no longer stop you. Have you ever felt like something was about to happen, as if the universe were moving the pieces of an invisible puzzle to lead you to an important conclusion? This feeling is not in vain. Now more than ever, you need to trust your intuition. Your angels are surrounding you with clear signs and signals that the answers are close. Maybe you'll see repeated numbers. Maybe you'll come across phrases or words that seem to have a special meaning for you. These are divine touches that point the way, and you need to pay attention to every detail. The relationship you are experiencing now is under God's eyes. He is guiding not only you but also the person with whom you share this connection. Often, in the most difficult moments, we are tempted to think that we are alone, that the other person does not feel the same, or that love is fading. But know that God does not allow a meaningful relationship to be lost without first giving every opportunity for it to flourish. If you still feel deep down in your heart that there is something to be lived, something to be transformed between you two, then it's because your journey is not over yet. But it is important to understand that the transformation you seek begins within you. God is using this phase to teach you about patience, surrender, and above all, the power of forgiveness and communication. It may be that what is missing at this moment is an honest conversation, where both can open their hearts without fear of judgment. It's easy to build barriers and hide behind fears and insecurities, but God is calling you to tear down those walls and allow love to flow freely and truthfully. If you are facing moments of silence or distance in your relationship, know that this is also part of the divine plan. Silence often does not mean disinterest or abandonment. It can be a necessary moment for each to look within, reflect on what truly matters, and strengthen individually. God is preparing both for a new phase where love will be stronger, deeper, and you will be able to understand each other on a spiritual level that was not possible before. God is asking you to trust this process. It may seem difficult now, but all this preparation is necessary for change to occur completely. When two souls are meant to unite in a true connection, the universe works tirelessly to align all forces in favor of this union. And that is exactly what is happening now. You may not see all the details, but know that God is taking care of every part of this process. Trust that, in due time, the answers you eagerly await will reveal themselves, and you will understand the reason for every challenge you have faced so far. The key to going through this phase with serenity is to keep your faith alive and your heart open. Do not let momentary difficulties extinguish the flame of hope. God never places a burden greater than you can bear, and if He is guiding you on this path now, it is because He knows you have the necessary strength to overcome it and emerge even stronger. You may be wondering if this transformation will bring back the love that seemed lost, or if it will open doors to something entirely new. The truth is that God is always preparing the best for you. And whatever the outcome, you can be sure that you will be guided to the path that will bring you more peace, more love, and more spiritual fulfillment. The important thing is to be open to what the universe has in store for you and allow this change to happen without resistance. Now that you have understood the importance of being open to transformation and divine signs, it is essential to recognize that God is orchestrating every detail of this process. Sometimes, when we are in the midst of a challenge, we cannot see the purpose or the beauty behind the difficulties. But what is happening in your love life right now is part of something much greater. God is not only guiding your steps, but also working in the heart of the person you are connected to. Often, as we face moments of silence or distance, we may imagine that the other person may not be feeling the same intensity of emotions. However, the truth is that God works in mysterious ways, and He is working in the innermost being of that person, shaping their feelings and preparing them for a new cycle in their love life. If you feel that something is changing, trust. There is an internal transformation taking place, even if it is not visible now. The divine signs you are receiving are proof that this change is on the way. That person who is on your mind may be going through a moment of introspection, trying to understand what they truly feel. They may be struggling with their own insecurities, fears, or doubts. Perhaps they are seeking answers within themselves, just as you have been doing. But one thing is certain, God is also speaking to them. Just as you are being guided, that person is also receiving divine guidance, even if they have not clearly realized it yet. Now is the time to trust in divine timing. Sometimes, what we need is not more answers, but more patience and faith. God is working behind the scenes, and what appears to be a delay or obstacle is actually a preparation. Every passing second, every emotion you feel, is bringing you closer to the moment when everything will make sense. It is important to remember that God is never late. He has a perfect plan for you, and every detail of this plan is being carefully aligned to lead you to the fulfillment you desire so much. If there are hurts or resentments in your relationship, this is the time to work on forgiveness. Forgiveness is one of the greatest demonstrations of faith, as it is through it that we release negative energy and allow love to flow again. Perhaps you have been hurt, or maybe you have hurt the other without realizing. Regardless of who made mistakes, this is the time to free yourself from these wounds and make room for the new. God is inviting you to forgive, not only the other person but also yourself. What comes next may require a greater openness to vulnerability from you. Sometimes, we protect ourselves so much from suffering that we end up closing the doors to true love opportunities. God is asking you to trust. He is showing you that, although risks exist, love is always worth it. This message is not just about reconciliation or a fresh start, but about a profound transformation in how you experience love. The time has come to release the fears that prevent you from fully diving into this connection. Remember that true love is not free from challenges, but it is precisely in facing challenges that it grows stronger. And what God is preparing for you goes beyond what you can imagine. This connection is being renewed, and you will feel this renewal soon. Perhaps not in the way you expect, but in a way that will be undeniable and transformative. If you are waiting for an answer for a change, know that it is on the way, and when it arrives, you will be ready to receive it. Now, more than ever, it is important to keep communication open with God. He is listening to your prayers, seeing your internal struggles, and understanding every desire of your heart. This is the moment to intensify your prayers, to speak to God about what you truly feel, without masks, without fear of judgment. God is your greatest confidant, and it is in Him that you will find the strength to get through this phase. Communication is a fundamental pillar in any relationship, and this includes your spiritual communication. Talk to God about what bothers you, about what you desire, about what you dream for your love life. He is listening to you, and more than that, He is responding. With every prayer, with every thought, you are building a bridge between what is and what will be. This spiritual connection you are nurturing now will be the foundation for the next step in your love journey. And remember, God never fails in His promises. If He has placed that person in your life, it is for a reason. If He allowed you to face these challenges, it is because there is deep learning and a spiritual reward waiting for you. This is the moment to trust completely in His wisdom and to know that, whatever the outcome, it will be for your greater good. You are exactly where you need to be. Love is being restored in your life. You may not see all the signs clearly yet, but they are moving around you. God is bringing this transformation with a force that you will soon feel. Everything is aligning for your good. Just keep trusting, keep believing. The best is yet to come, and you will be amazed by God's love in your love life. Now that you understand that God is working quietly, preparing a transformation in your love life, it is essential that you are ready to accept what is coming with confidence and openness. This path, even with its challenges, is leading you directly to a place of peace, love, and deeper understanding. Whatever has been difficult or painful in the past is about to be transformed into a positive force. God's message for you today is about liberation. Freeing yourself from old pains, resentments, and patterns that have prevented you from experiencing love in its purest form. This is a divine opportunity to start over, but to start over with a lighter heart, without carrying the weight of what was or could have been. God is asking you to let go of what no longer serves your spiritual and emotional growth. The person in your heart is also going through this process of liberation, even if silently. When you think about what you want for your relationship, perhaps what stands out the most is the need for mutual understanding, respect, and true love. And that's exactly what God is delivering to you. He is working on building a solid foundation for your relationship, something that will not be easily shaken. If you have been in a cycle of emotional ups and downs, know that this cycle is about to end. What is coming is a new phase, where stability, unconditional love, and true spiritual connection will have space to flourish. You may feel that angels are around you now, guiding and protecting you with every step you take. They are sending constant signals that things are improving, even though it may seem hard to see at this moment. These signals may come in the form of dreams, intuitions, or even words you hear from others that somehow seem to be exactly what you needed to hear. This is the time to trust deeply, to believe that God is paving a way for you that goes beyond your expectations. If you have been missing someone, if there is a distance between you and that special person, know that this phase of separation has a purpose. God is working in your hearts, aligning desires, healing wounds, and removing the blocks that prevent the full realization of this love. The distance, however painful it may be, does not mean the end. On the contrary, it may be the necessary preparation for a much stronger restart aligned with what you both desire and deserve. Now, it is important that you focus on nurturing your heart. What does this mean? It means that, at this moment, you should prioritize yourself, take care of your mind, body, and soul. God is calling you to a process of self-healing, where you will be able to reconnect with your own essence, strengthening who you are before fully surrendering to this renewed relationship. When we are at peace with ourselves, we can love more deeply, without fear or insecurity. The change you desire is on its way, but it starts with you. With each step you take towards personal healing, you are preparing yourself for what God is delivering to you. Your faith will be rewarded, and what seemed impossible will become reality. If you are seeking answers, know that they will come, at the right moment, without haste or delay. Divine timing is perfect, and what is being prepared for you goes beyond what you can imagine. Throughout this journey, it is essential that you continue to believe. God is sending you this message today to remind you that you have never been alone. All the challenges you have faced, all the tears you have shed, have been seen and understood by the universe. And now, that same universe is sending you a response. A response that will be clear, undeniable, and will bring the peace you are seeking. You may wonder how all of this will unfold, but do not worry about the details. God already has everything under control. He knows exactly what you need and is arranging every detail so that when the right time comes, you will see the result of all this preparation. The important thing now is to stay calm and trust the process. You have already planted the seeds. Now is the time to allow them to grow and flourish, knowing that what is to come will be better than you ever imagined. Finally, God is asking you to trust in your own worth. You deserve true love, a love that uplifts you and completes you in every way. And that's exactly what is coming your way. God is aligning the energies so that you and this person can finally live the love you both desire. But remember, it all starts within you. When you are at peace with yourself, you attract the kind of love that reflects that peace. The transformation is happening right now, and you are at the center of this miracle. Keep believing, keep praying, and be open to receiving all that God has reserved for you. Love is being restored, peace is returning, and soon, you will see the fruits of all this faith and patience. You are ready for this new phase, and God will be with you every step of the way. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings it contains for you, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.